Did you know you can actually earn $20 a month by just browsing the web by using the application known as ClicksPaid? Here's how. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our YouTube channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. A few months back, I made a video about the Microsoft Edge extension known as SerpClix. It lets you actually earn money easily by just searching for keywords on Google, and you can actually earn up to $20 every single month from that. Well, it turns out there's another application very similar to SerpClix, and it's known as ClicksPaid. And the best part is, you can run both these applications at the same time to double your earnings when searching. So what is ClicksPaid? Well, it's a pay-to-click platform where you're assigned random daily searches on a wide range of different topics, and when you actually visit certain websites, you will get paid cash for it. The platform is available worldwide and is designed for businesses looking to boost their SEO ranking through crowdsourced clicks. A lot of people probably don't know this, but 75% of users would never actually scroll past the first page on Google, and that's where we can step in and help these companies improve their Google rankings. They're willing to pay us for searching these keywords so they appear higher. How great is that? Getting started on ClicksPaid is really simple. First off, sign up using my link in the description, fill in your details and just sign up normally. It's that easy. Then log into your account and download the ClicksPaid extension for Firefox. I want to do a quick note here though. This extension is only available through Firefox on desktop, but there is an Android application available. For me personally, I recommend you solely using Firefox and not downloading the application on your Android device. That's mainly because you can run both SerpClix and ClicksPaid at the exact same time on this one device. SerpClix runs on Edge, whilst ClicksPaid runs on Firefox.
Of course, I would take that job in Maryland because it's double the pay.
Once the extension is set up, just activate the extension in your Firefox browser and there you go, you are ready to earn. So when you get redirected to either Google or Bing, the search term you need to search for will be automatically copied to your clipboard. So all you need to do is actually paste that into your search bar and just scroll and find the right result. The search result we're looking for will always be highlighted in red due to the ClicksPaid extension, making it super easy to spot.
I can do this all day.
To maximize your earnings with ClicksPaid, you need to make sure you click the Get a New Task every hour, since you never know what opportunity might appear. Unlike SerpClix, ClicksPaid will not send you any notifications when a click is available. That does mean you have to be proactive, you have to click that Get a New Task. On ClicksPaid, if there are no available clicks, it'll just state no available tasks, and you would return again in an hour and check again. Now let's talk about the earnings from ClicksPaid. Each task will pay you around 5 cents, and on average I get between 10 and 15 tasks per day. That actually adds up to around $20 per month for practically no effort. Even better, ClicksPaid occasionally offers boosts, where they can boost your earnings from 5 cents per click to 10 cents per click. These boosts are always sent via email, so always keep your eyes out for them.
You've got mail.
Here's a quick pro tip. If you add this code on screen right now to the end of a Google search URL, this will actually make Google display 100 search results instead of the traditional 10. This will actually make it so it's easier for you to find that target link, as you won't have to keep going between multiple pages. There'll be 100 results, and 9 out of 10 times, that target URL will be on that single page. As for payouts, you can cash out via Bitcoin at $5 or PayPal once you reach $20. Here's some payment proof. Overall, I think ClicksPaid works perfectly alongside SerpClix. It also actually pairs up really well with survey sites, or even whilst you're watching Netflix or Disney Plus on your PC. It's such an easy way to make some money for minimal effort. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
He designed an algorithm using search engine optimization, which put our site in the #1 spot every time.